Hello there, champ. Today is gonna be an interesting activity right here. So, are you excited? Are you ready with your book? So, let's see the steps and start making our leaves. We have a box right in front of us. All we have to do is start by following the steps and making our beautiful leaf. So let's make an oval at first and then make this leaf inside. So we will make a curve, then a V and then complete the curve. After that, we are going to make a small oval in the center and then make these standing and slanting lines. This looks great. Now we are going to erase the parts which are not required. Once we are done with that, we are going to make another rough oval and make a curved line in the center. And after that, we are going to make a curve and take it till the top line. Yes, we will start with the curve from the bottom and take it up. This looks like a drop, isn't it? Now we will take our pencil and make these veins of our leaf. Yes, they look like branches. This is a rough drawing. Once we are done with it, we are going to take our sketch pen and make it fair. We will go right on top of the pencil marks and create this beautiful leaf. Let's make these lines together which are inside the leaf. Let's start making the next leaf. Go very slow and make only one line with your sketch pen to complete the drawing. Once this is done, we will take our eraser and erase the pencil marks which are visible here. Let's erase both the leaves properly. Now our drawing looks neat and clean, isn't it? Okay then, let's start coloring. We will choose a color which is similar to the shade given in our book and start coloring. Take the green color you have and start with the outline first. After that, we will decide which direction do we have to color in. Here, we are coloring in standing line. That's great. Now take the green color, which is a darker one, and start with the next leaf. Do not forget to do the outline. Divide the leaf into two and then color in one direction. Do not keep any white spaces while coloring. Take a different shade of green and make the stem. And after that, complete coloring the stem for the first leaf. This looks beautiful.